I'm torn now. Here's a Jack in the Box. Oh, donuts or cheesy fries? Cheesy loaded fries or donuts? Donuts have too much sugar, right? So the cheesy loaded fries would be the healthy alternative. They're open 24, and there is a Terrible's there too. You know, I'll get the salt cheesy loaded fries for health reasons. Both, it's Saturday. Yes, Jeopardy thing. Well, one of them's healthier than the other, right? It's all relative. Donuts may be too dangerous for us tonight. Remember what happened to us last night. Yes, yes, yes. Oh, I wonder if they have the antenna balls. Gotta get me one of those. Loaded cheesy fries. The healthy alternative. Just sugary donuts. All right, let's check the menu here. Oh, look at the new bacon double bacon breakfast sandwich. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. The new cheddar loaded cheeseburger combo. Oh, look at that bun. Look at that thing. Oh, 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 oh. 2 tacos, $1.39. You want a small fries? Okay, Kurt's Place small fries and a shake, please. We'll mail that to you, definitely. Are shakes healthy? You can do a shake. Let's see, what kind of shakes they got? Ooh, they're $4 for a small. I'll go somewhere else for a shake. Go to Sonic. Sonic shakes are pretty good. Do tiny tacos. You see the loaded fries anywhere? I don't see loaded fries. Ultimate cheeseburger. Oh, the buttery jack. You got the classic or the bacon and Swiss. Never had a Jack in the Box growing up in Alaska. Saw the commercials all the time, but never had one. The kids combo cheeseburgers, $4.19. Yeah. Oh. Such good food. Stay on a diet, ranch sauce only. Loaded tiny tacos. Oh, that looks good. Look at that. Right there, loaded tiny tacos. No Jack in the Box in Canada. They had the bigger tacos at one of the other ones. You get 2 for $3. I don't know if they have those here. Oh, cheesecake. Couldn't do cheesecake. Oh, churros. Oh, the mini churros. Are those healthy? What's in a churro? Because it's cinnamon. It's not like sugar, right? You can justify the cinnamon. Loaded tiny tacos. I can't do spicy, though. Crispy chicken strips. That's healthy. Oh, they have chicken salad. They have a club salad, a Southwest salad, a grilled salad. You want me to get one of each? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. All right, I don't know what we're gonna get. Churros are the bomb? Okay. So we may get 2 tacos and a churro. Oh, I love the sourdough jack. Loaded tiny tacos. Okay, loaded tiny tacos and churros. We'll do that. I think that's a healthy order. All right, loaded tiny tacos and churros.
Hi, welcome to Jack in the Box. Can you give me 1 minute, please?
Sure, no problem. Famous 2 tacos. And a Diet Coke. That's right, Dave S. Thank you. That's the healthy part. Oh, man. Look at the shakes. Cheesecake. Oh, yes. Wayne's World, too. Oh, I used to eat Breakfast Jacks all the time. Give me 3 at a time. And they were 99 cents. Oh, man. How do you eat the 15-piece mini tacos? I think that's going to be messy, but it's worth it. A quick rundown of menu items. All right, let's go over it again. Chicken. Oh, mini churros are warm. Oh. It's like a donut, right?
I'm sorry about that. What can I get for you?
Can I get the loaded mini tacos, an order of churros, and a large Diet Coke, please?
Would that be all?
That'll be all.
Order Cheerios, look, mini tacos, and large Diet Coke.
Yes, please.
I'll have you cut out the window, okay?
All right, thank you. Oh, they used to have the dollar jumbo jacks. Yeah. Pull in and get a sack of burgers for like $5. I used to love to eat. I love cooking. I love chefing. I love making my own meals. Just gorge myself. I go into food comas. And I wonder why the doctor's concerned now. I used to live on 5 gallons of Coca-Cola a day. Back in 2001. Malox on standby. Thank you very much. I appreciate that. Can I get an insulin shot? Is that extra? Tyler. Ooh, an insulin daiquiri. Well, diabetes is definitely no joke. I was knocking on the door there for a little bit. Oh. Good, they put lots of ice in. Ice, baby. 834, there you go. 843. Oh yeah, I used to drink those big, massive, insulated cups of soda. Thank you. I would start with, 1 second here. Thank you. I would start with one in the morning, and then I would have one before I went to work because I worked nighttime. Then I'd have 2 or 3 of them actually at work because we had all the soda you could drink in our dining hall at the hotel. And then I'd probably have one just before I went home because I had a 45-minute drive. Asking why the price keeps going up. Inflation. But then in 2005, a doctor told me that I was killing myself and that I needed to stop. And so I went cold turkey. I just stopped right away. Ended up gaining 35 pounds. Because I replaced the sugar in the soda with Krispy Kremes. I'd eat a dozen at a time. Turns out I wasn't making any of my own serotonin or anything. I needed that sugar. Oh my goodness. Cheesecake, how you doing? Thank you very much. Appreciate it. Okay, let's go watch airplanes and kill myself. See, the officer's right there pretending to get gas. He's just watching what people are buying, and he knows who to pull over.